think these were the ones that had the epic motors. Refurbishing again. These were also Burlington, just like the other one.
Oh my gosh. What the fuck? He's close already.
Alright, let's see if we have a good motor. Yeah, this set has the better motors. If I'm correct, we'll have to get the other one the old-fashioned way. Because I don't think it serves the basement either, considering I saw a wall.
Well, we can bring this one down and do the other one up because it's going to be expecting to go down. This seems weird. Okay, watch this.
See here? There you go. Okay, I think this one has the better motor. Alright, let's be quiet. Spectronics.
Yeah, there's another one. Amazing cabs.
Yeah. Here's your indicator.
The other one, the last one felt a little bit smaller. And here we go.
Does the button even light up? Oh, it doesn't.
I don't think so.
No, it didn't. Could be the original GAO equipment. And same with this one. They didn't bother to put new indicators over the other ones. They just put them on the call button. Yep, that's it.